So in this video, you'll learn how to enable or disable auto power off on the Soundcore AeroFit 2 earbuds. So all you need to do is simply launch the Soundcore app on your device, and then you want to ensure that the buds are connected to your phone. Once they've been connected, the next step is to tap on the settings icon in the top right corner, and then in this more settings section, you should see the option auto power off. Select it. So auto power off is a feature that simply allows your Soundcore AeroFit 2 earbuds to turn themselves off after a certain period of inactive usage. So for example, if you just place them on a table, you're no longer listening to any audio and you leave them for like an hour, then during that time they will have automatically gone off to conserve battery. So if you want to enable this feature, then you have all sorts of options to choose from. You have 60 minutes, you have 30 minutes, you have 20 minutes, and you have 10 minutes. So it's up to you to decide which time period you'd prefer to use on your phone. However, if you want to turn this feature off so that they're always kept on, even if they're not being used at the moment, then you can simply select the option, never power off, and the auto power off feature will be turned off. So it's completely up to you to decide how you're going to be using this feature on your buds. Thank you for watching. If you have any questions or comments, leave them down below and we'll get back to you.